everyone. This is a lovely story called My First Farm Animals. In this story, we'll have a look at all the different farm animals. And I wonder, will you know all their names? And if not, it's okay, because we can learn them. We can learn all their names in this book. Do you know what these ones are? They're horses. The horses are in the stable. A mother horse is called a mare, and a baby horse is called a foal. Look how long the foal's legs are. See here, they have a lovely big bag of apples. Horses love to eat apples. Will we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's one on the ground. 10. Does anyone know what this is? Squeak, 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 squeak. It's a mouse. And the words in this book that we can learn are horse, stable, apples, ladder, saddle. A saddle goes on the back of the horse, and that's where the rider can sit on the horse's back. So it's comfortable for the horse. It wouldn't be comfortable for the horse or the rider to sit just straight on the horse's back. That's why we use a saddle. Barrel. We have a barrel there. And beside our barrel, we have a sack. I wonder what's in the sack. Horses also like to eat hay. See the hay here? And here's the door. See what's on the next page. What are these? Moo! Moo! Here are cows. They give us milk to drink. A baby cow is called a calf. How many calves can you see in the picture? 1, 2. Very good. And these are dairy cows, and they give us milk. Let's see the new words we learned today. Cow, straw, farmer. The farmer is the man who looks after the cows and who owns the cows. He's the one that helps to make the milk and also some cheese and cream from the cows. The building that they're in, see the straws coming off, is called a barn. And down here, this cow is drinking out of a bucket. The baby cow is a calf, and the baby calf has something around its neck, a bell. Can you find the bird anywhere in the picture? There he is. Yeah, that's right. He's sitting on the wall beside the lovely flowers. White flowers, yellow flowers, and some purple flowers. Let's see what's on the next page. Ba, ba, ba. The sheep are in the field. They have thick, woolly coats. In the summer, the farmer cuts the sheep's coat to make some wool. Baby sheep are called lambs. Here we have a little bunny rabbit too. What else can you see in the picture? Very good. Yeah, I see that too. It's a blue tractor with a red trailer and a lovely woof, woof dog. The new words we might learn today are windmill, lamb, dog, the sheepdog, tractor, rabbit, wagon or trailer, and sheep. Do you know who looks after all the sheep in the field? He was on the other page. That's right, he's the farmer. Let's go see what's next. In the farmyard, there are lots of animals to see. How many different kind of birds they are. There's chickens, and the hens lay eggs. There's a turkey, gobble, 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 gobble. There's a goose or geese, and there's a blackbird. There's also little chicks. And some ducks. We count how many chicks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little yellow chicks. There's 1, 2 hens. They're going to lay the eggs. And there's a cat. 1 cat. Meow. I found another chicken over here. So there's 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's 2 geese. 1, 2. And maybe the little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4 are going to swim in the lake. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, quack, quack. Maybe you could sing the rest of the song. Some of the words we learned today: chicken, turkey, farmhouse, basket, which the eggs were in, goose, egg, blackbird. There they are, the eggs in the basket and the blackbird on top. And they're getting water from in the blue bucket. It's on our next page. I think this is our last page. Lots of little animals here. These are pigs, like Peppa Pig. Pigs live in a sty. That's where they live. They are very noisy, and piglets squeal like George and Peppa. They can cry too. Can you see their curly tails? How many piglets can you see? They're the small ones, the baby ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 mammy pig. And then there's a goat. And a little robin. And lots of straw and hay. And they're eating carrots. The words we learned today are pig. Trough is what they eat out of. Hay. A wall, carrots, piglet, and goat. I hope you enjoyed that story. Goodbye. Bye.